Why beveling doesn't work? If I bevel this cube right here, it will work perfect, no problem. But in another mesh which I have just modeled, if I try to bevel it, the menu appears but no changes in the model. Why is that happening and how we can fix it? First, we need to understand that the exact reason that it happens. It happens because when you were modeling it, you accidentally made at least two vertices overlapping each other. So how we can fix it? First, select the mesh, then Control F9. Control plus F9, press it at the same time. Now you are in vertex selection mode and all vertices are selected. Now you go to the Edit Mesh, Merge. Where is Merge? Merge. You can play with the distance threshold if it didn't fix a problem, but I suggest that you definitely don't want to go too far. I would say the default value is going to be fine, but if you somehow find your mesh getting destroyed, you can go even lower. I would say 0.1 is fine. Once you've done that, you click anywhere in your scene, you press F8 to go to the object selection. Then if you try to bevel it, it will work just fine.